Let's go! Nandito kami ngayon sa aming beach front na sobrang dumi. OMG. Ayan. Bangtalanhan ko an. Ano kahini? Sakayan. Ito ay ang aming natural swimming pool. Marami kaming childhood memories dito. Ayan. Pwede ka lang lumundag dyan. Tumalon. Oh my God, may nagtapon ng basura dito. Mga hinayupak. Mga hinayupak. Nagtapon ng basura dito. Mga hinayupak kayo. Dali, ligo na. 3, 2, 1, go. Ayan po, sobrang linaw ng dagat. Ayan, slow tide. Slow tide. Ganda, diba? Okay, let's go. Mangrove. Ayan po siya. Let's go, let's go.
Going mag-before.
And dap. Still property namin yung nandito. Ayan. Still our property. Crab na maliliit. Mga gukoy. Diret gukoy. Diret gukoy. Gukoy. And it's still within our property here. Dito ay may parang falls dito, fresh water, pero siya, dry siya. Ayan, dyan marami kaming saging. Ayun, wala na tayo sa ating property. Ay, oo, nandiyan pala. Within our property. No, Jameson. Nandiyan pala yan, di ba? Yes. Nandiyan pala yan na. Okay, let's go. Medyo malayo-layo ang kalulyangan, ang rock formation. Please bear with me. Tayo muna natin to. Mangrove forest over there. Kagabi dyan kami nanguha ng mga shrimp. Tsaka crab. swerte to dito. Wow! Ganda, oh, ayan. Welcome. Kalulyan. Ayan, baluto. Motor. Okay. Hindi. Dito. Liwat. Ito ang ano, ito yung old na daanan. Pag ayaw mong mabasa, dito ka. Pag gusto mong mabasa, doon sa kabila. Ito yung ano, old na daanan. Somehow, nagkaroon sila ng shortcut. Grabe, ang daming plastic dito, ang daming basura. Nakaka-discover. Doon ay may ano, spring water. Diyan. Pero dry siya ngayong araw. Ayan. Meron siya konti. But, daming basura. Ay, doon pala may ano kami doon. May property kami doon. Dami kayo dyan crabs. Marami bang crabs dito? Yung hindi maliliit ay yung kinakain. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa ating pupuntahan. Ipapakita natin ang rock formation ng San Antonio, Biri, Northern Samar, USA. Sarap ng ano, sarap ng fresh na hangin. Okay, malapit na tayo. Mga 2 days pa po. Mga 2 days pa. Bago tayo karating. Tayo muna natin.
Butang pula dito.
Dito. Yan, malapit na tayo. Hanap ako ito. Low tide ngayon, kaya makikita natin talaga ang beauty ng rock formation. Pero bago pumunta tayo doon, dito muna. I want to show you guys this beautiful place. Ayan. That's the mangrove forest. That's pretty new. Planted maybe 15 years ago. That mangrove forest. No, 20 years ago. Mangrove forest to protect the island. Project ng DENR. Nice. Okay. Back on track. Let's go. Ang pangit lang dito kasi maraming plastic.
Mga lumot.
No, hindi lang lumot, maraming basura. This island has no proper waste disposal. Kaya no proper waste disposal system. Kaya nagkalat ang basura all over the island. Kasad. Kaayo. Very sad kaayo. Okay, we're approaching the Kalulyangan Rock Formation. Starting from here, the entrance. Took years and years, million years of creation. Ayan po siya. Ang ganda.
Very hot.
Ayan. Mangroves all over. That's Kalulyangan Rock Formation. Ayan. Where this is. So the cave. Oh my God! Tingnan nyo naman. Ang mga nagpirik-pirik hindi, mga diputa kam. Hello, tayo mga basura, mga hayop. Shit. Guys! Basura all over the place after the fiesta. Oh my gosh, ruining the space. Ruining this beautiful place. Ayan. Diba? Super ganda. Tayo pang ano. So, that's the cave. Ayan siya. Para siyang whale na ano. Ayan. Number 1. And there's the second and the third one over there. Let's go and check those out. Meron akong video ganito last year, but it wasn't that nice because it was high tide. This time, I made sure that I take videos or come here during low tide so that you can see its view. Ayan siya, oh. Cave number 2 and cave number 3. Ayan. Breathtaking. Ayan, you can go up there. Dito, bayog. Cave number 2 and 3. And that's our dinosaur head. If you go this way, it's the dinosaur head. The dinosaur head right here. You can see the head from here. That's the dino head. That's the dino head. Okay, so we're gonna climb up. I'm gonna just put my tripod here. Climb up the dino head. It's not very stable. Yung saan kanyo? na lang, iyan mo na lang ako. Hawakan mo na lang dito. Oh no. Oh, gee. Okay, maybe here.
Okay. Go.
Ta-da! It's unstable. Okay, we need the rock. Okay, ikakap din na ikon. So I'm gonna climb up the dino head. So let's go to a different area. Don't forget. Okay, so shall we go? Dito, ayan. This is a big area. Huge area. Mangrove, fish, pools. Ito ang kabuuan niya. Yes, it doesn't look like it on this side. Ayan, oh siya. Di ba super ganda niya? Okay, so yan ang quick tour natin sa ating, actually not so quick tour. There's more to see in this island. If you want to see more of the island, you can come and visit us in San Antonio Berit Northern Summer. Just let me know. Charis! But really, Really, really? Here's my nephew. Ayan, siya ang ating tour guide. Ngayong araw, ang ating tour guide ay si Jameson Carl. He is in first. He is in junior high school. Ayan, he is in junior high school. So this is our beautiful rock formation. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the pool that we swim in every time you come here. Okay, now wait. Okay, you go first. Okay. Kasi ano siya, oh. Yep. Tripod na. It's quite hot. But it's only 9 o'clock. It's only 9 o'clock. It's real hot. Okay, where is the pool? Where's the pool? Ganda dito. Promise, mag-i-enjoy kayo. Okay, here is our pool. That is our natural pool. Yan ang natural pool. Go jump. Go. No. Go jump. Go jump. Jump in! Go jump in para sa video natin. Hindi ko mauto. Hindi ko siya mauto, guys. Go jump in na. Dali. Jump na. 3, 2, ay, akin na yung water. Sige na. Jump in. 3, 2, 1, jump. It's gonna jump in. 3, 2, 1, yay! So, yan ang aming natural pool. Okay, I'm gonna end my video.